G'day, I'm Zelko from Lysart. We're going to be at the Brisbane Home Show. Let me take you through some of the key products we're going to have on display there. We're going to have lots of privacy fencing on display. This is the beautiful looking Lysart mini screen. We're going to have lots of other profiles. You can come and have a look. This is Lysart slat screen. It comes in a louver option as well. We've got the very modern looking Lysart smarter screen. It's got a beautiful looking profile, and both you and your neighbour will get the same profile on both sides. And then the original Colorbond fence, we've got the classic Lysart Nita screen. Another great product we'll have on display is the Lysart louver screen. So this is part of the slat family, but as you can see on the side here, there's some very clever little receptors that enable us to take that slat and tilt it. So for anyone at home that's got a Venetian blind, you'd be very familiar with how you can tilt that slat and then you can only see from inside out. So that's really, really handy. And just quickly over here, we've got the slat products again. Timber products are very popular in residential construction at the moment. We're also going to have lots of home improvement products, patios or carports, freestanding or attached, lots of options in terms of how you want to set it up at home. This is an insulated panel construction. As you can see, beautiful clean lines, very popular. And in southeast Queensland, if you're entertaining at home in your alfresco, you want to be cool and comfortable. We'll also have the super popular Zenith range. This is Lysart Enseam, done in a monument matte. Super clean lines, architecturally beautiful. There's also Dominion in the range. That can be wrapped around a corner, as you can see here, installed horizontally, diagonally, even vertically, onto a ply substrate straight onto your timber frame. So you can see integrated with an insulated panel roof. If you're looking for more info, come and check us out at the Home Show.